Every website Claude Code builds looks like every other website Claude Code builds. It's the same layout, the same fonts, the same 4 boxes, the same purple gradient. And the reason isn't Claude. It's that Claude has never been taught what good design actually looks like. It only knows what average looks like because that's most of what it's seen when the language has been trained. So I found something that fixes this. It's called Impeccable, it's completely free, and it took only 1 line to install. So I asked Claude Code to build me a SaaS weightlifting app landing page. This is what it looks like without the Impeccable skill, and it's everything that I told you at the start of this video. It's got the purple gradient, the colors, it's very basic, the fonts are very basic, there's no dynamic elements. This is a very typical AI cookie cutter approach, and it's slop. Now here's the same prompt using the Impeccable skill, and you can see that there's a huge difference. I absolutely love the headline. It's very congruent with this industry, trained to failure, not to fail. It's actually in red as well. I like the contrast between the font and the background color of the website. It's done a really good job for a first pass. This is just a draft, right? And this was one-shotted, but it looks excellent. I mean, there's some leveling issues here, but again, I can fix that with a simple prompt. It's got some images that it's created. I didn't ask it to create this, and they're very relevant. Honestly, this is a great website. This is everything that I would like to see. This is what I do see in this industry when I'm looking at competitor landing pages and SaaS tools. So what is Impeccable? What does it do? And let me break it down in plain English for you. So this is GitHub. This is the Impeccable repo. And Claude Code is incredibly capable, but it has no taste. And it's not because it's bad. It's because nobody taught it the difference between a design that looks intentional and a design that looks generated. And this is where Impeccable comes in. So it's one skill, but it's split into 23 commands. And there's a list of commands here at the bottom. Now, you don't need to know all of these. Once you install this inside of Claude Code, Claude knows what it needs and when it needs to activate this. So the skill is /impeccable. And I'm going to show you exactly how you run this inside of Claude Code next. So there's a couple of ways you can install this. The first is you just grab the URL, just paste it into Claude Code. The second is where you head over to where it says code here, and you can either grab the URL here, or you can use the GitHub CLI. Doesn't really matter. You can just use whatever is the easiest for you, which is probably going to be the URL here. So here's exactly what happened when I ran this, so you can see every single step. Now I'm inside of Claude Code. This is where the skill is running, and I built a landing page for a fake SaaS tool / weightlifting app called Get Shredded Bro. There's nothing that complicated about the prompt. The only difference here is I'm actually calling the Impeccable skill with the craft command. And so before they started, Claude actually asked me some questions. So what lane is this fictional lifting app? And then, I've just given it some responses here just to give it an aesthetic, basically like a perspective, so Claude knows what to do. And then what's the actual product fiction? So I selected AI form coach via phone camera. And so it's got a design brief. Now, the only thing here that it missed off was the name of the app. I actually said that it should be called Get Shredded Bar, but this is actually come back with Spotter, which is absolutely fine. It's not a deal breaker. And then it's basically planned the entire build before it will execute it. So if you're happy with this, you just click on yes, go, do it, whatever. Just give Claude the go ahead, which is what I did here. And then it's going to start building this, right? So the brief is confirmed. It's building it now. And honestly, during this time, I wasn't really doing anything because I've actually bypassed the permissions inside of Claude Code. And this is something I recommend if you've got a time-sensitive project, or if you don't want to basically click on allow or always allow and let Claude, give it that consent, let it kind of proceed to the next step. Once that was done, I said, do the same project again. This time, do not use Impeccable. And I haven't actually called the Impeccable skill. And you can see that the actual build, it didn't ask me any questions, and it completed the task in a lot less time. Purely because it didn't ask questions, there's no format, there's no template on how to build a great design. Even though I have the front-end skill, which is from Anthropic, installed on my Claude Code, Impeccable actually goes a step further. The difference in quality is absolutely huge. I highly recommend that you install this skill, play around with it, because look at the before and look at the after. This is a website that you'll be proud to present to a client. This is something that can win you easy jobs on Upwork, and you can always iterate this. Things I would do to make this better is obviously improve this, because this looks like a potato. I'm not even sure what this is supposed to be. It doesn't look like a human being, so I'd have to actually make that image a little bit better. Or I would even create the graphics outside of Claude and bring it into this Claude project. As long as you paste it inside of the same folder structure and reference it inside Claude Code, Claude knows what to do. There's also some leveling issues here. So this is not level. So if I was to make it professional, if I was to sell this as a service, I'd make this a lot better and level it up. And obviously, if I was doing this for a real business, I would actually use real photos from their gym or whatever business it is. But as a draft, as a concept, this is not bad. Again, in the pricing here, there's some leveling issues here, but again, very easy to fix. The last thing I would say is make sure that this entire SaaS landing page is mobile optimized. The link to Impeccable is in the video description. It's completely free and it takes one line to install. So grab it, run Impeccable Craft on whatever you're building. And as a pro tip, always ask it for 3 variations before you commit on the final output. And this habit alone will change what you're putting out there. There are still clients looking for this type of service. So head over to Upwork and see what's out there. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, help me with the algorithm to reach more people. Because I'm somebody that drops AI grenades. I want you to use AI to build a side hustle, to build a business. Or if you're somebody who's worried about AI, if AI is keeping you awake at night, my suggestion, my advice to you is use AI before somebody using AI replaces you. Thank you so much if you made it this far. Click on the next video that you can see on screen, and I'll see you next time.